away, my people. Hey, hey, hey. It don't happen again, it don't settle. Unbelievable. My people, not be small something, na it dey happen. Oh, hey, hey. Mathias Ezeaku will not buy person for this year 2024, my people. Hey, every don scatter, e don red oh. No be small matter oh. The way where they take kwado for this year, my people. Hey, hey. This one so ilado, no be small matter oh. Make una carry una jokote sit down, come lis ten to Mathias Ezeaku ejofo, my people. E don set again oh. I don't know who go fit settle this one. Hey, hey. They say wahala be like bicycle, wahala no dey finish oh. No be small thing oh. You know they use it yesterday. Here say all these Africa pastors say that they heal people. If you use it here, he say you must stop them. Say na arrange na it they do oh. Say all those kind of a things. Say it never happened before. Say all those people say they be scammers. Say some of them oh, they are scammers. This time now, if they talk every day, they talk and say if they catch any of them, say they do arrange, say they go see themselves for Abuja. Unbelievable. My people, may not come be say I too talk oh. Make una come lis ten to this one. Why it take paro? They paro for our people. They talk say this phone so when we dey use, whether we know how they take do am. Say may we find wetin we go dey do for our full life. May we find something doing. Say may we stop. They carry they carry pastor go one place to another. Say some pastors now say they go carry the tithe money, the offering money, they use that till they enrich themselves, their family. May you not come be say I too talk, my people. I beg make una pardon me. Laugh they by me. Make una pardon me. I beg. Make una just watch the full video.
The world are making things rawly from raw material. They process it. Our ancestors process the food you are eating today rawly. Now, the black man's own mineral resources has already been programmed and named in the Bible. So, there, the children of God started to carry bags of rice free of charge. Bags of semo. Child of God, can you hear me? Anywhere they are holding your blessings, they will run away and you will go there and carry your bags of cement, carry your bags of tomato, carry your bags of rice. Can I hear a louder amen? Jesus did it. He did it in time of Philistines. He will do it for you. Now, the same Mugu who is being brainwashed since 2010, when bag of cement is sold 2005, is buying one bag of cement today 5,005. See the kind of mumu religion made a black man to become. So a black man mineral resources is in the Bible. Yes. Why? How can a black man know the meaning or the reason why? Look at them watching me. Look at their faces. Watching scream. Both men and women. Ask them what they carry do the scream. Ask him what did John chapter 10 say. He will tell you. That is where their mineral resources is. Ask a black man, the scream of this phone now have eradicated poverty in China. Production of this scream. Production of the scream of the phone you are watching with Myoji and Akane. Myoji phone and Akane. Production of this phone you are holding. Whether a human being there inside, you don't know. Whether urine they put inside, you don't know. What do you know? Leviticus chapter 10 verse 2. God said, where others go and fail, you go and survive, Oga. Chinese went where phone is being produced. They succeeded. Dubai traveled to where phone is being produced. They succeeded. Thailand are producing phone. Indians are producing phone. Now, have you succeeded in producing phone? No, in your mind, they have already succeeded. Your mineral resources of producing phone is there in the Bible because where others go and fail, you will go and do or survive. I bet touch your neighbor, tell him, say, stop, call him imaginary human being. Once you see a black man, call him or her imaginary human being. Imagination. Imaginary human being. Turn around. If you produce, As a woman watching me, can't you see yourself? You wear brazier. Do you know how waiting they carry from the brazier? One, what qualifies you to live as a human on this earth? As a woman wearing me, you wear pants. Do you know how those pants is being produced? No. Now, what qualifies you to live together on this earth, to live as a human being? Iji karịa bụ Jesus, iji karịa. Oyi iji karịa. Ito. Na ito welu onye isi ojii. Iji karịa bụ Jesus. Okechigo, Okechigo. Oyi iji karịa. They will keep on brainwashing you. Here China ji karịa na plan ka na be ebruben. For those who does not hear Igbo, it's a music that a black man are proudly singing here. That what makes him greater than everybody in the world is Jesus. What makes him to be above every other creature on this earth, every human being on this earth is Jesus. They sang it as a song here. The black man is singing it. Black man. If Jesus is real, can you preach Bible more than the white? Is there anything on this earth you do more than the white? I'm asking you. Only religion. That is mental slavery. In the olden days, they were kidnapping us, forcing us to go to their land. But now, they have used Bible to take away your common sense from being productive. Because once you become productive, you will not go to Europe. You will produce everything you need and use it to sustain yourself. But now they have taken the ability of being productive in your land. That is why if they open their border today and ask all your community to come in, nobody will remain in your community without forcing anybody. Because they are there producing items, which if you travel to their country, those items they are producing will give you a job. How many of you are working in prayer house in Europe? You are working in a factory that has even been built before they gave birth to your mother. I want you to Google the date that company where you are working today in abroad was manufactured. That old people care home where you are working in Europe, I want in England, in America, in Canada, Google the date it was built. You see that they built that factory even before they built that company before they even gave birth to your father. Do you know anything? No. Have you closed your eyes today to pray? Anyasa. Echenandi bona sanyasa. Mani hai nemezi ba anya akpo. Anya ga akpo. Begin to talk. Degree a word. All of you degree. Buhari rule you 8 years. Do you know what Buhari used to use? Common sense. Power. The same thing Europeans are doing. What makes Europe great today is power. Common sense. Power to suppress you down. Defeat you. Conquer you. Do you know the reason why you borrow money from China while you are a Christian? Power. Common sense. The energy that the Chinese have invested to develop the world and themselves. Today you have a Jesus that gave birth to it. You are owing China. Your president went and borrowed money from China. Every one of us as a Nigerian citizen is there. We are owing China. You will still come to tell me that Jesus is Ibo. Are you a criminal? Jesus is Agamniru. What is Agamniru? You as a human means Agamniru. You are the only one that will bring Agamniru on this earth. You are the only one that will stop Agamniru. Just the way Europeans use Bible to stop prosperity in Africa. That's why African children are not prospering. African children are begging for wealth. No European citizen begs for wealth. They work for wealth. No white man from America begs for wealth. They work for wealth. No Dubai citizen begs for wealth. They work for wealth. Japan, the same thing. South Korea, the same thing. They change things. They created wealth where there is no wealth. What kind of wealth? We make wealth. We don't create wealth. What we make is money. When we make money, you never produce, you never created it. Ihe na-akpata bụ ego. Mkpata. Ije kpakọnata ya. Na-akpa ya na London kịta na-akpakọnata na-akpakọ je si London fee Germany. Ọ dị ka Germany ise Germany maba London. Onye Igbo kpọọ m sị m na obigo 29 countries aka na ịtọ. Igbo man will call me to tell me that you have lived over 29 countries in Europe. You have lived in take trade. Because you cannot produce wealth in your society. You are looking where to gather the wealth that was built and manufactured by man over there. What do you know as a black man if not prayer? Prayer is the key. Prayer is the key. Prayer is the master key. Jesus started with prayer. I'm happy that you are not saying that Olamide started with prayer. You are not saying that Okon was started with prayer. I'm very happy you are not saying that Okon started with prayer. It's only that European. And you want to represent him. You want to pray more than Jesus. Fallacy. You marry fallacy, keep fallacy in your home. Your life became fallacy. The world starts seeing you as a fallacy. The whole world are looking at you as a criminal. Once you're a black person, I'm telling you, heaven is my target. Heaven is my target. Yeah. Also I had. I'm not going to buy a brother.